Okay, in this video we're going to be checking out the new Comet FPV Racer from Hobbymate. I did a review on a bunch of these parts here already, but now this comes as a complete plug and play or bind and fly setup here already built. Also comes as a kit if you want to build all the parts yourself. That's also available as an option. I've already done a review on the frame itself here. That's in the Comet frame. It's a typical FPV 5-inch racing frame, a bit of a stretch text. Put a card in the corner here. You can check out that video if you want more details on the frame, dimensions, all that stuff. All the specifications of the frame will be in that video. I've also done a video on these motors, and these are the 2305 1800 kV 6S motors. So this is a 6S setup here. This does also come available in the same motor here. Instead of an 1800 kV, I believe it's a 2400 kV. I don't remember exactly. I don't have that one, but you can choose that as an option for 4S if you would prefer 4S instead of 6S. But it's essentially the same motor. It's just in a different kV, and the motor is also available in different colors. It comes in red and in silver. Now the rest of the parts here are actually pretty good. So we got a Foxeer Aero Micro Pro in the front here with the bigger 2.1mm lens. A very nice camera, probably one of my favorites. It does come with a Foxeer Lollipop 2 antenna as the FPV antenna. Your stack here is actually really interesting. Airbot parts. I think it's a. We have a. Let me just bring up the documentation. It does come with some instructions here. So the flight controller is an F4 Omnibus F4 V6. That's what it looks like, and a very nice flight controller. 5 UARTs on that flight controller, by the way. And then it does come with the Airbot Typhoon 32-bit version 2. So it's a BL 32 ESC. So obviously 36S and D-Shot 1200 capable. And I think it has current sensors on here somewhere. Not 100% sure on that. Now, the way it was sent to me, unfortunately, it wasn't sent as it would be sent to a regular customer. It was sent as a prototype, so it wasn't. Basically, they just assembled it for me and didn't put on any tune or firmware or anything like that. So I did have to do all that stuff myself. They did send me some instructions, and they actually have a set of instructions for the people that are going to buy the kit. They want to put it together to get all the proper settings on here. It wasn't a big deal. Didn't take me too long. But those instructions will be available for people that are building this as a kit. But people that are buying this as a plug and play or a bind and fly, it will come with a tune and already set up with all the UARTs, the for example, tramp on the video transmitter, for example. All those things will be set up. And by the way, the video transmitter is power switchable from pit mode 0, 25 milliwatts, all the way up to 600 milliwatts. And my version did come with an XM Plus receiver. I believe other receiver options are also available, and you can also get one without a receiver as well. But yeah, overall, very nice build. No real complaints about the build. It's all nicely done. The frame, of course, is pretty nice, and this thing flew very nice. Basically, I didn't really do a whole lot. I just flashed BNF 351, and with the flight you're going to see is it's basically the default tune. They did a couple of tweaks to the CLI, which I will put in the description. I think I just changed the dynamic notch filter. I did something to the I forget exactly, but go down in the description. You can read all about it down there. It's a couple of minor tweaks, but basically default PIDs on 351. You could tune it a little bit better. Obviously, I think it could probably increase the gains on I and P, but the motors came down cool, flew really well on 6S. I thought it was a pretty decent flyer all around. Now the tune that I have, I don't know 100% if the one that you'll be getting from Hobbymate is going to be the exact same tune, because they're still tweaking the tune on their end. So you're probably going to get a better tune than what you're going to see. Although I thought, from my perspective, I thought just default out of the box PIDs on 351 was pretty good, just in and of itself. Okay, so this is the weight of the drone here without a battery, and it's coming in just over 300 grams, so it is definitely on the lighter side. So anyway, so if you guys missed the frame review of this frame, it was maybe like a week and a half ago. I did a giveaway for this frame, and I picked a winner already. I'm not sure if that video has come out before this one or not. But I have another 5-inch racing frame from Hobbymate coming to me pretty soon, and I'll have another giveaway for that frame, and not obviously not this one. So if you're looking for another 5-inch racing frame, I'll have another giveaway in a different video. Not giving away this, it's going to be for a frame that's coming up in a future video, so just want to be clear, there's no giveaway in this video. Anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the flight demo footage. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Okay, so these are the PIDs I'm using. It's stock Betaflight 351. I just upped the feed forward to 100. We'll see how this goes. I'll adjust it if needed, but I think I'll be alright. Feels pretty good. I think on that turn there, a little bit of washout. I think I could boost up the eye gain a little bit. I mean, honestly, it's not bad where I would want to land it. It's totally livable. Really, not that much prop wash either. Video reception is really good. I'm using a Foxeer Lollipop 2 antenna on, well, that's what came with the drone, and I'm also using them on my receiver. Plenty of power. I'm using the Gemfan, I think they're 5042 props. A little bit of battery sag here, probably running towards the end of this pack here at 3.6, 22.1 volts. And it's only 1,000 milliamp hour 6S LiPo on here, so if you're pushing it, I'm thinking about 3 minutes max. Yeah, really good on the prop wash there. Hardly any prop wash at all. Yeah, overall, can't complain too much about the setup. Seems to fly pretty good. 3.6 volts. A little over 3 minutes. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Video performance was really good. I'm not really flying that far away, but hardly any breakups at all. And even behind me over here. Go ahead and land it. Overall, not bad. Not bad at all. I'll land over here.